Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in the previous video, we did the poem The Man in the Moon. And in this video, we will do the questions and answers of the same poem. So, moving to the meanings, the first word is skipper, which means captain of a ship or boat. Okay. Second word is dipper, which means this word has two meanings. Dipper means container for taking out water. Also, there are two constellations called Little Dipper, that is Little Bear, and Big Dipper, that is Big Bear, in the sky. So these meanings are given at the end of the poem, right at the bottom of the poem. So you could see there. Then there's the third word, Milky Way, which means the band of light consisting of stars that spreads across the sky. Okay, now moving to the questions and answers. Answer the following questions. In that, the question number one is, what mistake did the man in the moon make? So the answer is, the man in the moon made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk using a dipper dipped right from the Milky Way. Okay? So now, what is question number two? The question number two is, what did he try to take the milk from? Okay? So the answer is, he tried to take the milk using a dipper from the Milky Way. Moving to the question number three, why did he spill the milk? Okay, why did he spill the milk? Answer is, as he was trying to take the milk from the Milky Way using a dipper, the big bear growled and the little bear howled, which frightened him so much that he spilled the milk. Okay, moving to the next question, that is, read the following and tick whether the statements tell you about facts or whether they are imaginary. So, what is the question? The question is that there are some statements given to you. Six statements given to you in all. You have to mark them whether they are real or imaginary. So, what you will do? You will make a table consisting of three columns, one for the statements, one for real, and the third one was imaginary. Okay. So make three columns, and in the first column write the six statements. So just look along. I'll mark whether the statements are real or imaginary. The first one is, there is a man in the moon. So this is an imaginary statement. There can't be a man in the moon. Although Neil Armstrong went to the moon, but talking about the poem, this thing is not possible. The second statement is, the moon sails across the sky. This one again is an imaginary from the poem's perspective. Okay. Then the third statement is, the Milky Way contains milk. So the Milky Way is the name of our galaxy. It contains dust, asteroid, meteors, planets, stars, sun, and so on. So it contains everything except milk. So again, this third statement is also an imaginary statement. So we will mark this statement in the column of imaginary. Okay. Now look at the fourth statement. You can fill the dipper in the sky with milk. So this is not possible, as there is no milk in the Milky Way. So you can't fill the dipper in the sky with milk. So again, the statement number 4 is also imaginary. Okay. Now coming to the statement number 5. The big bear in the sky can growl. So this big bear that we are talking about is a constellation of stars, and it can't growl. It is not an actual bear. So again, this statement will be imaginary because it is a constellation and it cannot growl. There are a number of stars. Look at the statement number 6. There are a number of stars in the sky. Okay. So this statement is very much real because there are, of course, a number of stars in the sky. Okay. So here we come to the end of the exercise of our poem, The Man in the Moon. What you have to do is write these questions and answers right from the beginning, that is the meanings till this table, in your English fair notebook. This will be your homework, okay? So for your convenience, I am repeating the slides. Take the screenshot and write them in your English fair notebook, okay? Start taking the screenshots. 3 to 5 seconds for each slide, okay? Hurry up. Okay, the next slide. So these three words will be your meanings, which will come on the first page of the poem, The Man in the Moon. Okay, questions and answers. Okay, the next slide. Fine. And the final slide, last one. Make the table as it is. Okay, make the table as it is and make 3 columns and mark whether the statement is real or imaginary. So in this question, the first 5 statements are imaginary. Only the last statement, that is there are a number of stars in the sky, is real. Rest all the statements are imaginary, as the poem itself is a very imaginary poem. Okay. So this will be your homework. Write these things in your English fair notebook, and soon we will meet in the next class. Okay? Allah Hafiz.